Welcome, in front of me is a REALME P3 Lite, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice. This will show you all the toggles that you have right here in the panel. Now, Do Not Disturb mode should be added by default. So if it's not visible on the first page, we can swipe to the left, and this will show you the second page of the toggles. Here you can see we have our Do Not Disturb mode. Now you can tap on this toggle right away and just turn it on right now with whatever the default settings are, but I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize this mode. Now, going over these options, we have duration first. And this allows you to select how long this mode will run when enabled by default. So manual toggle on in here. As we do have also a way to set it up as a schedule, which would prevent you from or remove the need for you to toggle it on and off, and also kind of make this option useless if you select a schedule. Now, by default, it is set to run until you turn it off, so if you were to manually turn it on and forget about it, it will run indefinitely in the background. Not the greatest option. I personally like to select it on a 4-hour timer, so it covers whatever time I might need for it at random occasions, plus a little bit of time extra just in case. And even if I forget about it, the device will turn it off for me after the 4 hours passes. You can also select the last option, which will bring up these two options every time you toggle it on manually, meaning the until turn off or a specific amount of time. Next, we have that schedule that I mentioned. There is one pre-made. Sleeping starts at 10 p.m. ends at 7 a.m. every single day. It is turned off by default, so if you're planning to use any schedule, you can just toggle it on in here, and you can also create ones by clicking on the plus. And obviously choosing the parameters for it. Days of the week, start, end time, or start and end time, the other way around. And also selecting a name for it. Once you click on done, it will automatically get saved and also become enabled, something to keep in mind. Now, going back to the other options, so exclusions, you can select who will basically ignore this mode. So people, you can select who can call you or message you when this mode is enabled. Apps, so basically different applications that can still give you notifications, calls and stuff like that. For instance, like WhatsApp could still act normally if you want to, and that will also be circumventing this option. Then we have alarms and other interruptions, along with hiding notifications. Anyway, once this is all set, let's find the toggle once more. Here you can just click on it, becomes enabled, and after 4 hours for me, it will automatically turn itself off, but I can do that myself by just clicking on the toggle myself once again, which obviously you can see turns it off. So there we go. Hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.